dear students. Myself, Ritu Jindal, lecturer, Commerce in SDKI Degree Century Senior Secondary Public School, Mansa. I welcome you all in the online session of accountancy. Today's topic is objectives, advantages, and role of accounting. As we have earlier discussed, the definition of accounting. Accounting is an art of recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money transactions and events which are of financial character and interpreting the results thereof. Means accounting involves recording, classifying and summarizing of all the business transactions, means of transactions which are of money value. And also it helps to find out the results of accounting information. Results means profitability position as well as financial position. And also it communicates the results to different users. So now we can see the definition itself shows the advantages of accounting. Objective, advantages and rule. We can write same points under these three headings. First benefit of accounting, as definition suggests, accounting used for maintenance of a systematic record of financial transactions in a books of accounting. Accounting helps to make the systematic record, and that systematic record can be act as an evidence in the eyes of law. For each and every legal formality, we need the accounts. So accounting helps to make these accounts, and also it is helpful for various purposes. For example, for making the comparison, whether it is inter-firm comparison or intra-firm comparison. Next advantage of accounting is it helps to check the profitability position of business, means either profit or losses. As definition suggests, accounting helps to interpret the results, and results are of two types: profitability and financial. So accounting helps to find out the profitability position of business, whether there is profit or loss. Accounting also helps to check the financial position of the business, means whether the assets are equal to liabilities. Assets means our wealth and liabilities means our claims, equities. So accounting helps to find out these two positions of the business, profitability as well as financial position. Accounting helps to provide the accounting information to different stakeholders. Different stakeholders means different users of accounting information. For example, competitors, customers, suppliers, government, management, etc. As all these parties have their respective interest in the accounting information, as government is interested to check the tax liability. Management is interested to make the planning and controlling. Competitor is always interested as he or she want to make the policies for their own business. So next advantage of accounting is accounting helps to assess the tax liability of a business by a business enterprises. Each and every business enterprises is legally bound to pay the taxes if he or she it earns a profit. So accounting is only the thing which helps a businessman to assess the tax liability of the business. Accounting also helps the business organization to make the future planning, controlling, and for further decision making in the business. So these are all the advantage, objective and role of accounting. All these are suggested by the accounting definition, not extra or difficult. So I hope you can understand. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.